Hi there. Chomp chomp. Chomp chomp. Chomp chomp. Hi, cutie. How's that teething ring? It is December 31st. You are 5 months old. Chomp chomp. Just past Christmas and it's New Year's Eve. We're just chilling around the house, doing a little bit of nothing. Your sister's sleeping and you and I are just hanging out, making dinner. It's my video diary. Love you. And this is how cute you are. You're like the cutest little baby I've ever seen in my life. Chloe's the cutest little toddler I've ever seen in my life. Look at you guys. Uh-oh. Bye-bye now.